Welcome guys, welcome back again to another vlog. Hold on, let me reduce the volume. I just finished reducing the volume of this TV. You guys, it feels so good to be back to my camera. I can't even lie. Woo! It's been a long time that I have actually picked up. It's been a long time that I actually picked up my camera to film any video. I was having memory card issues, and you know, they had to actually format my memory card. I want to get back into my filming. I lost a lot of clips, I lost a lot of videos, a lot of videos that I did. I lost a whole lot of them. But you guys, I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, to be very honest with you guys. I feel good. I have been on my detox, I have been on my exercise, and I have been taking extra effort to, you know, do my scrub, you know, clean up my makeup after every makeup, you know, properly clean it up with micellar water, and then wash off my face properly, and then just moisturize my face with my vitamin C and my face cream before I sleep off and whatnot. And I think I've been seeing a lot of results with all of it. You know, it's not a lot of skincare that I'm doing, but I've been taking my fruits, I have been taking my detox drink. You guys, excuse Amber in the background, but I'm happy. And you guys, and that thing that is making me extra happy today is that I just received a call from my baby that she has landed. You guys, Uzo has been away for like months, and I don't know how I've been able to function properly. You guys, it's just been video calls, what they call it, and our birthdays are coming up. We've just been I'm going to be heading there like later on this evening, but I want to actually put makeup on because I have a lot of videos that I want to film. I want to do a sit down video right now. And before I take you guys to the kitchen, there are a couple of things that I want to show you guys as regards to what they call it, like hair growth stuff, and you know, body cream, and just so many other things. But anyway guys, have you guys been, you guys will not really notice that I have been like, I've not been filming for such a long time because actually bulked film, and thank God that I scheduled that video. But the other videos that I bulked film and said it was for the like coming weeks, I lost everything with the camera. But you guys, you fall, you pick yourself back, you fall, you pick yourself back. Anyways, let me just get into my makeup. I'll come back, set up, do my video, and I'll come back and speak with you guys. Guys, quick makeup. I didn't want to do anything so what they call it, but I needed my lip to pop, so let me just get quickly, I'm trying to set up behind me, so let me just get quickly, do the video. And you guys, I'm just super excited. That's what I'm going to say. I'm very excited, but let me just get to doing this video for you guys. So I'm done filming, and let me just show you guys something quickly in the kitchen. Hey guys, so I want to show you guys something quickly. This is my cream and my children's cream. Let it focus. Let me see if it can focus. I don't know, but this is actually shea butter mixed with mango butter and coconut oil and tea tree, and then you just whip it, right? And I need to actually make more because this is like the last container. And that's what I was telling you guys about skincare. You don't have to break the bank to what they call it. So this is shea butter. This is shea butter. This is a little bowl of shea butter. But by the time I whip it, right, with coconut oil, this is original coconut oil, right? I ordered for the mango butter, but it has not come. I'm still waiting for it to come. And I was telling you guys about a mixture that I did during what they call it, like my pregnancy and all that, made me not even have as much stretch marks, not even have stretch marks, not even as much. It actually protected me from stretch marks. And also this is what the shea butter looks like. Yes, this is what the shea butter looks like, and this is original coconut oil. Yes, so it's not complete. If not, I would have showed you guys how I make it. see, this is not when they say something is organic and it's not organic. This is purely organic. It's not adulterated in any way. This is original coconut oil. If you can see this is original coconut oil, and this is shea butter. But the mango butter has not come, like I mentioned already. And I also get the tea tree, but after you finish whipping everything together, it smells really lovely, like really nice. So this is what it now comes out to be. This is what it comes out to be. So let me put it on my skin so that you see how it is. This is what I use for my children as well, you know. This is what I use for them as well. You guys, look at it. Shiny. It's not harmful to your skin in any way, you know. It's not harmful to your skin in any way. Does not give you any like after reactions or anything, or like skin damage, like what has been going on the internet these days about what they call it, like beauty organic products damaging people's skin. No, it doesn't give you any skin damage whatsoever. You guys, I tell you guys that shea butter is such an underrated. You see shea butter, you see palm kernel oil, they are such an underrated, what they call it, like cream, like skincare cream. It's okay if you have the money to spend for all this other, what they call it, cream and skincare products and whatnot, but if you don't, just buy original shea butter and be using on your skin. Your skin is going to glow. Yes, buy shea butter, buy what they call it, mango butter, right? I usually get my mango butter from Ibadan, but the guy that usually sends it to me has said that he's writing exams this period and there's no chance. But I'm trying to scout through Lagos if I can get the one I usually used to get that is really nice, like the scent and everything, like is well processed. I've looked through stores, I haven't found it. If I do, but if you can also refer me to where I can get it, please let me know as well in the comment section. You guys, that's about it. And then I also have to do, I saw this new thing where they say they use cinnamon cloves and rosemary, and then you cook everything together for hair growth. You guys, my edges went off after I gave birth, postpartum hair loss, so I'm trying to get my edges and my hair strength back. I will be trying it. I would actually make it if it's not now, probably when I come back. I want to go and see Uzo. Probably when I come back I would make it and I will just be using it, and I'll come back and give you guys a feedback of how, you know, it is and if it's working and whatnot. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Let me quickly just throw on a wig. Let me go and see my baby girl, and I'll come back to this, what they call it, BOMSY'S easy home remedies for your skin, your hair and your body. And the good thing about this and what they call it, shea butter, mango butter tea tree, is that you can use it on your children's skin. Yes, you can use it on your children's skin. It doesn't affect, it doesn't really do anything as much, just that it really, what they call it, like helps your skin, brightens your skin, moisturizes your skin. Not really brightening, but you guys know what I mean. Moisturizes your skin very. Morning. Oh, you guys, morning, guys. I had a good sleep. But yeah, you guys, I talked about something yesterday, right? And so this is cloves. Let me bring it closer. Focus. This is cloves and this is rosemary. I bought it in the market because I saw focus. Yep. So this is rosemary, right? Let me open it up and just show you guys what it looks like inside my palm. So this is rosemary. this is rosemary, and they said it's good for hair growth, right? I want to be trying it. I told you guys yesterday that I'm going to just cook it alongside with cinnamon. I have cinnamon at home, so I will cook it alongside with cinnamon, drain it out, and use just the water for my hair and my edges. You guys can see my edges, and for my hair and my edges. When I'm done with that, I'll tell you guys how it is, or how it's working, if it's working the magic. Of course, I'll come back and recommend it to you guys, but I want to try it, and this is the first time I'm actually going to be trying it. So don't go and say BOMSY said she has been using it since. No, this is the first time I'm actually going to be trying it, and I'm going to let you guys know how it works out for me. It's not expensive. I bought this container of rosemary for 500, and I bought this cloves for 500, and then the cinnamon has been at home, so let me just put it to good use. You guys, yesterday Uzo came back with a lot of like goodies for us, a lot of things for us, to be very honest with you. If I even start unboxing, this video is going to be for like 30-40 minutes, but yeah, it was a lot of goodies. And my sister is not even back. that one is another one, like you guys, I'm super excited. This is the month of September. This is my birthday month, right? Myself and Uzo, we are turning 30 this year, and we were just talking yesterday, like, my god, when were we just two young spring chickens in uni and just running away from rats and cats when we're going for late night classes and whatnot, and then now we have children and we're about to celebrate 30. You guys, it's funny that people don't actually believe that I'm actually turning 30. I said it to, you know, a consultant yesterday, and the person was like, 30? I actually think you're 35. I just thought, I was like, yeah, things happen fast for people that you would really think that, you know, they have is age that actually came with all of this experience and all of these things. But you guys, age is just a number. It's because I'm telling you guys I'm 30. If not, I'd have told you guys I'm like 20 years. In fact, I'm even 16 by heart. But anyways, guys, let me cook this thing and make breakfast for myself. The children are already settled, and yeah, that's about it. Just finished a live video. Hold on, let me turn off this. I just finished a live video, and I was a guest speaker in Gloria's vlog. We talked about vagina birth and CS birth, and you guys, I had filmed that video with Soti, but unfortunately I lost the clip. So when I got an invite to actually do this with her, I jumped on it. If you guys don't know Gloria, I'm going to leave her handle. Please check out her channel. Her channel is such an inspiration to my own channel as well, and I'm glad, like, you know, I started watching her. You know, she said she has been watching me as well, dropping comments and whatnot. I'm going to run away. Kaito is looking for me. But you guys, just check her out. It was an interesting section. I'm going to share it on my community, so if you want to catch up, please catch up. But you know, you guys, I have an event tomorrow, and I'm just blessed. You know, my girls have gotten a hang of how I do things, and I like it. I like it so much. You know, we have chin like bulk chin order and different things to do. I will get into all of those things. Yes, you guys, for like family and friends that know that I like to cook and I know how to cook, right? If they want to do like little events here and there, they just contact me. BOMSY, are you up to it? Can you do it and whatnot? You guys, I was doing this live, and I just told my girls, you know, this is what to do, this is what to do. And by the time I came into the kitchen, this is like 1 hour after the live, they're almost done with frying the chin, and I tasted the chin. It's exactly how I would do it. In fact, they even did a twist to it. They added cinnamon stick inside the oil and was frying the chin. Let me, when they enter inside the kitchen and they start there, you don't tom, they've entered just. You must end the baby. See, look, turn. You guys, Andy is on the chin. What you did Let me show you what these girls have done. I mean, they've done a lot. Let me show you. fried? Oh, come and hold this one. Chef on the building. You guys, look at this chin chin. Look at this chin chin. It is so rich. So I don't like the way they cut. Is it the one that is cold? Okay, this one is cold. And who is frying now? And who is this one? You're the one.
I'm the chef.
This is Chef Andy on the big. Favor, is this where you are doing your KFC chicken?
Tomorrow.
When are you cutting the vegetable for the fried rice?
What to do?
When? Tomorrow. What? Now, should be just carrot and I bought sausage.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning. Okay, you guys. It's starting for 2 o'clock, but you leave the house like what they call it. I'll let you guys know. I'm coming. Let me finish this video. But yeah, you guys, tomorrow we have fried rice, we have chin chin. We're going to be doing like different types of what they call it. I hope this thing is not too zoomed into my face. So we're going to be doing like different types of different types of chicken, pepper chicken, grilled chicken and whatnot. I think I should start a vlog with that. But yeah, you guys, I hope you did enjoy this particular vlog. If you did it was just an eventful vlog here and there. Happy to be back filming with my camera. And yeah, I need to go and help the girls out in the kitchen and finish up with them as well. You know, I'm thinking we'll cut the vegetable for the fried rice today. But you guys, BOMSY'S fried rice is such a signature fried rice for everybody that tastes it and eats it. They want another plate. So tomorrow I'm going to be making a huge pan of fried rice, right, for the event. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely will see you guys in yet another vlog. So enjoy and have a beautiful weekend.